This tutorial is about adding job posting schema and WordPress without plugin. I published an article on LinkedIn for it. Someone asked me to make a video tutorial for it, so I will show you how to add a job posting schema in WordPress without plugin. Here you will compile the job post, add the details related to it, then scroll down and go to the field name custom field. Here is the name field, add schema, and here is the value. Value is the place where you will add your code. Go to this link, rich results, which is the Google rich results. Go to code, paste your code here. Here is the first field name title. Here you will add the post title or the position name, something like assistant manager, journal manager, or whatever the post is. Then you will add the description, anything related to the post, you will add the details here. Then identifier, here you will add the hiring organization name, date posted, and then there is the valid through. Valid through is the last date to apply for this post. Qualification. Here are some fields related to qualification level. You will add the qualifications here. Then months of experience. Then employment type, full time or permanent or temporary. Hiring organization details, name of hiring organization. Then you will provide the link of your website. Then there is field name logo. First you will upload the logo on your website, then provide the link of that logo here. This will be the hiring organization logo. Then add the job location. There are some fields named street address. You will add street address here, address locality, address region, postal code, and address country. Then you will add the salary details here, minimum salary, maximum salary. Please remember here that you will only edit the fields in the inverted commas. Don't edit anything else. Then you will test the code. Show test results show that page is eligible for rich results. You can copy this code, go to that WordPress post and paste the code here. Then click on add custom field. Then you will publish your post. Now to show the code on the front end of the website, you have to edit the theme file. Go to appearance, then the theme editor. Now go to theme header. Please make backup before making any changes to your theme. This is the code for showing job posting schema on the front end. I have already added it. You will paste the code before the closing head tag. So this is the code for showing job posting schema on front end. After adding the job posting code, we'll click the update file. Go to the post. As an example, I will show you previously published post. Then right click, view page source. This is the schema code which we have added in the custom field. So it appears on the front end. So it means that our code is added to our post successfully. You can recheck this by going to the rich results test page. Add your URL, test URL. So it shows that page is eligible for rich results. It means your code is working properly, and it shows that job posting schema is added successfully here. By this tutorial, you can also add FAQ schema or recipe schema or any other schema type. The links and code is given in the description. Thanks.